sometimes we all just want a quick sandwich, you know, like sandwiches are delicious, you know, and they're easy to make. Today I am going to be making a vegan tuna salad sandwich. I'm going to be using some chickpea in place of real fish. So let's go ahead and get started right in with the recipe. Alright, so I have some chickpeas. They have just been strained and rinsed. Now I'm just adding in some veggies, some Dijon mustard, alright, I'm going to go ahead and prepare some lemon. I'm just going to cut this in half. I'm going to prepare the celery. I have one shallot. I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the end and the other end. And I want to mince the shallot. So I'm going to begin by cutting it like so. Alright, so as you can see, I prepared the shallots, the celery, and the lemon. So it's pretty simple. We're actually almost done with this recipe. Okay, so I'm going to add the shallot and celery. And now I'm going to add the lemon. Nothing like some fresh lemon juice. And now, just to add a little bit more brightness, I'm going to add some lemon zest. Alright, I'm going to add some salt. And some pepper. And I'm going to mix this. That's good. So once you have your, tuna salad in place, it's just time to bring it together into a tuna sandwich. And, so let's go ahead and do that. See what I think. I'm going to add some pickles, some lettuce. Keep it pretty casual, simple today. And then I'll try it out. And I'm just going with a shaved lettuce because to me it'll just go better with the sandwich. It also helps to add a little bit more depth and fluffiness to the sandwich as well. The chickpea tuna sandwich is done. Super simple, and I'm gonna try it out. This is delicious. I mean, I wouldn't say that it's a exact replica or duplicate of tuna, but it's delicious, and I think it's a great alternative to a tuna salad sandwich. You get a little bit of that tuna note to it, but either way, the idea is there. If you make this into a sandwich and you go out and you enjoy this and you're thinking, hey, that I'm gonna have a tuna sandwich today, like, this does the job. This is a delicious sandwich either way, and I'm definitely going to enjoy myself another one of these sandwiches because it's absolutely fantastic. And I certainly recommend you trying this out as well. The recipe is right at the end of this video, so that way you can make it in the comfort of your own home, because I'm your friend with food benefits. And I'll see you again real soon.